Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, voice-activated navigation system, airbags, driver, knee. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.